Unveiling a Nugget of Wisdom, a guide to profound insights. Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that's as precious as it sounds, a nugget of wisdom. This expression holds a treasure trove of meaning and application in everyday language, especially when learning English. Let's explore what makes this phrase so special and how you can use it to enrich your communication skills. Stay tuned. At its core, a nugget of wisdom refers to a small, highly valuable piece of advice or information. Just like a nugget of gold, it's small but incredibly precious. This phrase is often used to describe insights that are concise yet profound, offering significant value to the listener or reader. Imagine someone sharing a life lesson learned through years of experience in just one sentence. That's a nugget of wisdom. It's compact, memorable, and impactful. Why focus on nuggets? In a world overflowing with information, the ability to distill complex ideas into digestible, actionable insights is invaluable. Nuggets of wisdom stand out because they're easy to remember and share, making them powerful tools for teaching and learning. They're like shortcuts to deeper understanding, providing clarity without the need for lengthy explanations. Incorporating a nugget of wisdom into your language is a fantastic way to enrich your conversations and writings. Here are a few tips. 1. When giving advice, try to summarize your thoughts into a clear, impactful statement. This makes your advice more memorable and helpful. 2. In storytelling, use nuggets of wisdom to highlight the moral or lesson, giving your audience a takeaway to ponder. 3. For personal growth, seek out nuggets of wisdom from various sources, books, mentors, or even your experiences. Reflecting on these insights can guide your decisions and actions. We hope this exploration of a nugget of wisdom has been enlightening. This phrase is a reminder of the power of concise, meaningful communication and the value of insights that can fit into a single, sparkling nugget. May you find and share many nuggets of wisdom in your journey of learning and using the English language. Thank you for joining us, and until next time, keep seeking out those golden insights.